Hey Bills, remember that time that I made a steak in front of you and well, I kind of just ate it in front of you and gave you yummies? Well, the reason I didn't give you any was because there was onions in the recipe, but the subscribers killed me for not giving you any. Well, I've gone ahead and I found a recipe that doesn't require any onions, and that leads me to a very important question. Does she want yummies? Does she want yummies? Well, hang on. First, we gotta get into character. This will be no match for Chef Gordini.
Tell him run it all. I wake up. Yeah.
Okay, that didn't work. That was terrible. Anyways, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chef Gordini, and I was the head chef on the USNS Waptanic for over 75.5 years. Now, for those of you who don't know, the USNS Waptanic is a mozzarella ship that holds over 75 billion different passengers. It's the biggest ship in all of Western Zimbabwe. Now, unfortunately, I'm only capable of cooking Wapatuni burgers, which are, you know, the only thing we cooked on the entire ship, hence the name. But luckily, I have the captain of the USS Seaburger, and today we are going to be cooking. Her name's Captain Bales, by the way. And today we are gonna be cooking the Bales one of her delicious, beautiful steaks. Actually, all she's gonna do is she's gonna come over here, she's gonna do her favorite thing, and she's just probably gonna find a place to lie down. What do you think? You gonna do it? Is that the spot? I know you're not gonna help me. Oh, you're gonna go with your bed today? Good spot. All right, well, you're gonna be here for moral support, but we are gonna cook you up, Mrs. Bales, some nice, delicious steak. Now, last time around, I used Thomas Edison's guide. He didn't invent the steak, he invented the lightsaber. My steak turned out way too crispy, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna use a different guide today, and we're gonna get this done the right way. Step 6, we're gonna begin this adventure by using way too much soap. You really wanna just fill your hands up with soap so you clog your sink, you make a big mess, and basically you just waste a bunch of soap. Step number 785, we're gonna need some basic supplies to get this going. So you're gonna wanna remove your steak from your toaster oven, your cast iron skillet from your microwave, your cutting board from inside your TV stand, and then your salt, pepper, olive oil, and thyme, which if you're not a freak, should be in your blender. Now you're gonna wanna let this steak air out for 30 minutes and, you know, get it to room temperature. So you're gonna wanna use a spoon to cut the steak open and, you know, get that really just airy air flowing through its veins and just get it, you know, cooled down to the room temp. And actually, if you're even 0.01 or more % Jewish, you're gonna wanna let it air out on the cutting board. Now, 30 minutes later, we're gonna be going skillet on the burner and we're gonna be putting that baby to medium high. And while it's heating up, we're gonna be seasoning this delicious Gordini steak. We're gonna be first going with, you know, some salt right here. It's the black salt. And then of course we're gonna be following that up with some white salt. This is actually some rare salt that you can only buy at the Krusty Krab. Gotta make sure to rub it around, rub it all in, flip it over, and do the same thing. And then if you're me, it should be right around this point where, well, you forget that you didn't buy butter. So unfortunately in that case, you're gonna have to grab your disguise.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet. Tell him run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell him run it up.
Alright, we made it, Bills. Well, I guess the steak's gonna be out, you know, resting for an hour and 10 minutes instead of 30. But you know what, that's a-okay, because we're happy. We didn't get recognized in the store, we didn't get tackled, and nobody tried to eat our eyeballs. Now once again, once this bad boy, ow, it's hot enough to burn you, you're gonna grab out your olive oil or any kind of vegetable oil, and you're, holy crap, that might have been too much. Okay, so probably don't put that much, but once you got a little bit in there, you're gonna grab your papa, and you're just gonna, whoa, I mean, don't slam it down like that, but you know, you get the point. So now once every minute, I'm gonna grab it with these, and I'm just gonna flip it over, and it's gonna sound just like that, mate. Oi, mate. Then you're gonna grab the sides, and you're just gonna sear it like that. Oh yeah, what is that accent? Okay, I feel like my secret's out. I totally watched the Gordon Ramsay video, but like I said, I was on the USS Wapatuni, so I mean, come on, I need some help. Hey Bills, come here. Well, that was quick. Hey, I need some moral support, okay? I know it's really loud and you're so scared of loud noises, but hey, can you give everybody a kiss? Mwah! All right, so after you flipped it 4 times, I'm gonna grab my butter. I'm gonna chop her up into 2 different pieces named Dave and Thomas Jefferson. And then make sure you don't mess this up. Put Dave top and Thomas Jefferson on the bottom. Now from here, you're gonna realize you don't really wanna use that short spoon, so you're gonna use your ice cream scoop. And this is just gonna be terrible. But really what you wanna do is this. You just wanna, you know, get the butter flowing around on top of the steak. Ow! Get the butter flowing on top of the steak, and it's just gonna keep splashing up. It's gonna burn the crap out of your hand. Now I'm gonna flip it just one more time, and it's gonna freaking splash me and it's gonna burn. And I'm gonna grab my thyme leaves, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them on there. And then we're gonna get those juices, those thyme flavors flowing right through it, kind of like a unicorn. Then we're gonna continue the scoop method. We're gonna scoop it for just another minute. And ladies and sesame seeds, that is gonna be it. We are gonna have our finished product. It's right there. Ow, I keep getting splashed by this freaking butter. So it's done, it looks good, dude. It looks freaking delicious, but we have to let it rest. So we're gonna use the time letting it rest to get a perfect thumbnail. You want this? Come here, right here. Okay. Sit up. See it? Look. Oh, look, right here. No, look. Want this? Then look, up. Get your head up. All right, I think we might have got a thumbnail. I'm not sure. I spilled a bunch of juice doing that. The Bales, she appreciates it though. Now I am gonna own up to the mistake I made last time, and most of this is gonna be for Bales, but I do need to save, you know, a decent sized sliver for me, because obviously I gotta tell you guys if it's good or not. I'd say it's about medium, maybe even a little bit more cooked than that, but we don't wanna risk it with the Bales, so I don't wanna make it rare. I did want to, but it's not my steak. It's your steak, Bales. And so, Mrs. Bales, as our subscriber friends have made us very aware, last time around you got scammed. So I'm gonna need you to come over here. So we have your steak right here. I have it all nice and chopped up. There's no bones, nothing dangerous. And unfortunately for me, I have some of your yummies. I guess the tables have turned. You know what? We'll see which one you want. Which one do you want? Oh no. All right, here we go. Oh man. How do you get so excited about this? Oh my God, am I gonna swallow this? I'm gonna swallow it, I'm gonna swallow it, ready? Woo! That wasn't so bad. I don't know why everyone had to flip out. You guys need to at least try it before you knock it. Although I'm never doing that again. Anyways, we got, oh my God, it's so gross. We got the steak here, and I'm really excited about it. I mean, it's kind of cold, but it's really good. This is so much better. So much better than last time. It's so much easier to chew. You know, it makes me want to, you know, kick my cock pillow. And I mean, that's kind of a rare thing. Like most steak wouldn't want to make you do that. But this steak does. So that's it. It's gonna be cooking with Kleb and Bales. Bales didn't really help me too much. She's over here like, dude, cook me more. That wasn't enough. Even though you got a whole steak, dude. I took off like one little rectangle. But yeah, that was a delicious steak. I don't remember what I did last time, but it was this black, crispy mess. It looked like a burnt chinchilla, and everyone was making fun of me. So, I've redeemed myself, and I wanna thank you so much for watching. And this Papa Prius and I, this one right here, and the Blackie Sant, will see you. I'm just kidding, he's not the Blackie Sant. Everyone gets offended, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. On the next one.
This with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain.
What the heck? Hey, Bales, what the heck are you doing? Those are mine. You're so greedy. I was gonna eat these.